If you want to download apps on Realme GT7T, you can use the Play Store app. In this Play Store app, we can find pretty much every app that is available on Android, with some small exceptions, of course, but nevertheless, we can find lots of different apps over here. In order to find something, of course, we can start by going to apps. Over here, you can scroll through these different apps and you can try to find something for yourself. If you're looking for something more specific, we can also switch to categories and we can search by using these categories. So let's say if we go to games, we should be able to find some games, etc. You can also find some apps for auto and vehicles and so on and so forth. If you know the name of the app that you want to download, then of course we can open the search section. Over here at the top we have the search field, and we can write the name of the app that you wish to install. Then we have the results. You can immediately install the app by pressing the install button. You can also tap on the app in order to find some more information about it. So press install and then wait for the app to be installed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.